Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. And as you can see, we have an AddiesDive watch. I found this watch while browsing online. I wanted to get a new holder for the mobile for filming, which I'm filming with right now. I wanted to get also a new undermat to video on and make pictures on. And I saw this one and I thought that's a really nice dial, and I had to get it to show it to everyone here. Not sure about keeping it, but as always I'll try to wear it at least for reviews and stuff like this. Yeah, the dial is as shown on the pictures, I have to say. Really nice dial. So this is the Addies automatic. I think it's called the texture 3D beach dial, this one, and the reference number is AD2117. Yeah, let's get the caliper. So the dimensions are 43 point something, but the lug to lug is only 48, and thickness is also around 13 because there's a lot of cellophane around the watch from every part. And as you can see, we have here a normal stamped clasp, a solid end bracelet, which I will not wear, of course, and a 120 click bezel. So let me get this off the watch. I think this will irritate the camera a lot. So I'll pause, take the cover off the watch and start again. Otherwise this new camera holder is just gonna vibrate. So change the bracelet to a strap. I know I'll wear it on. So the specs of the watch: it has an NH35A, 21,600 vibrations per hour, 41 hours power reserve, standard movement, workhorse, 200 meters water resistance with a screw down crown, with this kind of Seiko-ish shape. Dial is new. It's more like a Grand Seiko kind of dial. The bezel is Seiko, copy paste, I would say, but it's quite nice. 120 click bezel, so not bad at all. The loom should be quite nice. Has two types of loom, as you can see. We have green and blue. So we have VGW9 and C3 loom, which will make the legibility of the watch quite nice. Stainless steel case, bezel, case back, crown, so everything is stainless steel. Yeah, case back with some etching on it. And yeah, I'll put it on my wrist just to show you how it looks. So this is how it looks on my 17.1 centimeter wrist. Quite a nice fit, I have to say. I'll definitely wear it on this strap because it's really comfy and it hugs the wrist. Test it out for a couple of weeks, make a full review on the watch, and yeah, so be sure to check that out. If you have any questions about this watch or any other watch, leave them in the comment section. And as always, this is an invitation to subscribe. You find the button here, and you might find videos that interest you on the left and on the right. See you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.